Want to tag your music files with MusicBrainz Picard? Adding accurate metadata makes your music library easier to organize and helps media players display the correct song titles, artists, albums, genres, and album artwork. In this guide, I'll show you how to tag music files with MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Add Files to import individual songs or Add Folder to import an entire album. You know, importing complete albums usually produces more accurate tagging results. Next, select the imported files and click Lookup. MusicBrainz Picard will search the MusicBrainz database using the existing metadata. If the tags are missing or incorrect, click Scan instead. The scan feature uses audio fingerprints to identify your music, even if the file names aren't accurate. Once the matching album appears, review the information carefully. Check the artist name, album title, track numbers, song titles, release year, and other available tags. Confirming the match before saving helps keep your music library accurate. If everything looks correct, click Save. MusicBrainz Picard will write the updated metadata directly to your music files. Depending on your settings, it can also rename files, organize folders, and download album artwork automatically. Finally, open your music folder or media player to verify that the updated tags are displayed correctly. You can repeat these same steps whenever you add new music to your collection. And that's how to tag music files with MusicBrainz Picard. Accurate metadata makes your music collection easier to browse, search, and enjoy across your computer and portable devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.